Hello everyone, and welcome back to Portable Church website. Today we are going to be going over some ProPresenter7 tutorials. This will be a 3-part series where we show the basic ways for you to set up your ProPresenter7 for your church and their needs on a Sunday morning. First, you're going to go to your desktop, and on this Mac, we're going to go down to the power bar, and we're going to go over to the Pro 7. It's the orange icon. Once you hit that, go ahead and let it load up. All right. And now that is up and running, you will see a basic display. This is what a volunteer would typically see on a Sunday morning. To the left, you'll see the timeline or the playlist sequence, starting from the bottom and top. And then there's the song that correlates right there. You're going to scroll over to screens, then you're going to go to configure screens. Once you click that, you should see the screen pop up. And you will see on this particular setup, we have 2 audiences. We have projector and LED wall. And then for a stage display, we also have just one stage display confidence monitor. To set up one of these stage displays, you're gonna hit the little plus button. And then this church uses a duo deck link to route everything. If the screen they were using, for example, said with a 1080 by I-5994, you'd click that button, then you would see it appear right underneath the LED wall. You would also be able to double check which output it's coming through right there in that little section below. Same settings for the stage display. If you wanted to add, you would just click right there, choose your duo deck link, choose your display setting, and you have the ability to rename it as well. All right, and once we were all done for the day, we will go ahead and hit the exit at the ProPresenter in the top left corner of our Mac and exit out. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please email us at info@portablechurch.com or leave a comment below. We'll try our best to answer that as quickly as possible. In the meantime, follow our social medias for more updates and posts regarding tutorials for your church or your tech and kids and community needs. Thanks and have a great day.